750 million years ago, Earth was a frozen wasteland with no complex life. Yet researchers just found precision-engineered technology embedded in Ice Age rocks. The implications will shatter everything you believe about our planet's history. Dr. Elena Volkov's drill bit struck something metallic 200 meters beneath the Siberian tundra. What emerged defied every scientific expectation: geometric structures with microscopic precision embedded in rock formations dating to the Cryogenian period. The artifacts displayed engineering tolerances of 0.001 millimeters, impossible to achieve without advanced manufacturing. Yet they predated Earth's first complex organisms by hundreds of millions of years, challenging our fundamental understanding of planetary evolution. During the Cryogenian period, Earth resembled a giant snowball with ice extending to the equator. Temperatures plummeted to -50 degrees Celsius globally, creating conditions seemingly impossible for any technological development. Yet these metallic structures show signs of deliberate construction during this frozen hellscape. Isotope analysis confirms they formed under the extreme conditions of Snowball Earth, suggesting an intelligence that thrived in humanity's most hostile prehistoric environment. Spectroscopic analysis revealed the artifacts contain alloys unknown to modern science. The primary component appears to be a titanium-based compound with atomic structures that don't match any naturally occurring elements on Earth. Most disturbing is the presence of synthetic isotopes with half-lives, suggesting artificial creation. These materials demonstrate nuclear engineering capabilities that humanity only achieved in the 20th century, yet they're embedded in rocks older than multicellular life. Electron microscopy reveals surface patterns with nanometer-level precision across the artifact's entire structure. The geometric designs follow mathematical principles, suggesting intentional engineering rather than natural crystallization processes. Internal cavities contain micromachine components smaller than anything human technology could produce until recent decades. The tolerances achieved exceed current manufacturing standards, indicating a technological sophistication that surpasses our present-day capabilities by significant margins. Geological surveys confirm the artifacts lie within undisturbed Cryogenian rock formations. The surrounding strata show no signs of contamination or recent intrusion, eliminating possibilities of modern technological debris somehow penetrating ancient layers. Carbon dating of organic material trapped within the same formations consistently yields ages between 720 to 750 million years. Multiple independent laboratories have verified these results, establishing an unshakable timeline that places advanced technology in Earth's prehistoric past. Parallel discoveries in Australia's Flinders Ranges reveal identical metallic structures embedded in equivalent Cryogenian formations. The consistency of design across continents, separated by ancient ocean basins, suggests coordinated manufacturing or distribution networks. Sites in northern Canada and Greenland have yielded fragments with matching isotopic signatures and identical geometric patterns. This global distribution implies a civilization with intercontinental reach during Earth's most extreme climatic period in geological history. Laboratory testing reveals the artifacts maintain structural integrity at temperatures approaching absolute zero. Their crystalline matrix actually strengthens under extreme cold conditions, suggesting deliberate engineering for glacial environments. The materials exhibit properties that would have made them perfectly suited for Snowball Earth conditions. This thermal adaptation implies the original manufacturers not only survived but thrived during the planet's most severe Ice Age event. Sensitive electromagnetic scanners detect faint energy signatures emanating from several artifacts. These readings suggest internal power sources that remain partially active after 750 million years of dormancy. The energy patterns don't match any known radioactive decay or chemical processes. Quantum field measurements indicate possible zero-point energy harvesting mechanisms, representing technologies that remain theoretical in modern physics despite centuries of scientific advancement. Fossil records from the Cryogenian period show only simple microbial life forms existing during this time. Complex multicellular organisms wouldn't evolve until the Ediacaran period, still 100 million years in the future. The technological sophistication of these artifacts requires cognitive capabilities, fine motor control, and social organization that no Earth life form possessed for hundreds of millions of years. This creates an impossible gap in evolutionary timeline. The artifact's surface patterns follow mathematical sequences that wouldn't be discovered by human civilization until the Renaissance period. Fibonacci spirals and golden ratio proportions appear throughout their structural design. Internal geometries reveal understanding of complex topological mathematics that modern science only began exploring in the 20th century. These patterns suggest a mathematical sophistication that far exceeded anything possible from natural geological processes. Chemical analysis of microscopic gas bubbles trapped within the artifacts reveals atmospheric composition dramatically different from modern Earth. Oxygen levels were nearly zero, with carbon dioxide concentrations hundreds of times higher than today. The artifacts show specific adaptations for this alien atmospheric chemistry. Their surface coatings would have prevented corrosion in the high CO2 environment while maintaining functionality in conditions lethal to all known Earth life forms. Magnetometer readings around the discovery sites show artificial magnetic field patterns that don't correspond to Earth's natural magnetic field during the Cryogenian period. These anomalies suggest powered magnetic systems within the artifacts. The magnetic signatures create interference patterns indicative of sophisticated electromagnetic machinery. These fields have persisted for 750 million years, demonstrating magnetic containment technologies that surpass current human capabilities by orders of magnitude. Mass spectrometry reveals isotopic ratios that violate natural nuclear decay patterns. Several elements show artificial enhancement of specific isotopes through processes that require precise control over nuclear reactions. The isotopic manipulation demonstrates mastery of controlled nuclear fusion and transmutation technologies. These processes could only be achieved through particle accelerators or fusion reactors, technologies humanity developed less than a century ago. These discoveries force fundamental reconsideration of humanity's place in cosmic history. The existence of advanced technology 750 million years ago suggests intelligence preceded biological evolution by impossible margins. Religious and philosophical frameworks built on assumptions of human technological uniqueness must now confront evidence of prehistoric civilizations with capabilities exceeding our own. The implications extend far beyond archaeology into existential questions about consciousness and cosmic purpose. Major archaeological institutions have attempted to suppress publication of these findings, citing concerns about public reaction and scientific credibility. Several research teams have faced funding cuts and academic ostracism. The resistance stems from these discoveries' threat to established evolutionary timelines and geological paradigms. Accepting their authenticity would require rewriting textbooks and acknowledging fundamental gaps in our understanding of Earth's deep history. Advanced scanning techniques are revealing internal mechanisms within the artifacts that may still be functional. Efforts to interface with these systems could unlock technological principles that revolutionize modern engineering. International research collaborations are forming to study similar sites worldwide. Each new discovery adds pieces to a puzzle suggesting Earth hosted advanced civilizations millions of times older than previously imagined, fundamentally altering our cosmic perspective. The next time you walk across frozen ground, remember that beneath your feet lie the remnants of impossible civilizations. 750 million years ago, someone was here, building technologies we're only beginning to understand. The question isn't whether advanced life existed before us, it's whether we're ready to accept what they left behind.